Alright, so before I begin, I want to remind everyone that we are only 16 subscribers away from 450 subscribers here on the channel. So please, if you like any of the videos on the channel for any reason at all, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Today I've got something very special. You already know by the title of the video, but this is Wendy's brand new strawberry frosty. This thing is melted as shit right now. And I don't love strawberry, but here goes the first bite. Okay, very sweet from the outset. I'm getting the strawberry flavor, but it's not sour at all, which is a little bit of what people like about strawberries. It's not bad. It has that cold, nice, refreshing feeling whenever you bite into it. I think what I like about it so far is that it's really sweet. Like, it might even be sweeter than like chocolate. It's so sweet. I wish it was like not so fucking melted, but I don't know. One thing I'm noticing is that it's not really pink. It's just kind of like white, like vanilla is, but it's a lot more bubbly. And so, I mean, this is good right now, but you know, it's not really, doesn't really come close to like chocolate or vanilla, which they don't even have vanilla frosty right now, I'm pretty sure. It tastes good. It's very creamy. The coldness of it is very refreshing, especially with how hot it's been here in the Midwest. Not amazing, but definitely not bad. Like, quite good, actually. Now, the one thing I'll say about it is that I don't know if calling it strawberry is correct exactly, but it is very good. Not great, but good. Very sweet, very refreshing when you bite into it, which is, I mean, it's ice cream, that's what it's for. Not very expensive at all. I got the small because I knew I wasn't going to eat the whole thing. It was only $2. So if you like strawberry, if you like Wendy's Frosty, definitely give this a try. But overall, good, not great, but still good. If you all enjoyed this video, then please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more content just like this in the future. Whenever you all do that for me, it helps me stay motivated to make more content for you all in the future. Sorry, that's just the goblins trying to get out of my car. Whenever you all do that for me, it helps me stay motivated to make more content for you all in the future. As a reminder, we are only 16 subscribers away from 450 subscribers here on the channel. So please, if you enjoy any of the videos for any reason, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. And once again, thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.